In this short and basic video, today I'm going to show you how to add watermark in Microsoft Excel. Follow some easy steps. Open Excel, then click on Insert. Now here in this top bar you will see a written a icon. Click on this drop down. Select Word Art. Select any design of word. Select it. Type your text here. Now right click on it. Then click on Format Text Effect. Click on this first A icon, text fill and outline. Select here solid fill, change transparency. Up to 100%. Text outline, select solid line. Make transparency about 50 to 70%. Now click anywhere. So you will see your text as watermark. You can see print preview. You can change size like this. Keep anywhere. That's it. So thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe. Please comment this method work for you or not.